My pistachio and white chocolate ice cream is made without added sugar, and the white chocolate pushes the pistachio into deep gourmet territory. Let me show you how to make it. To 50 grams of xylitol, I'm adding 0.7 grams of guar gum and 0.3 grams of xanthan gum. Mix these ingredients very well and then add them to 50 grams of skim milk powder. Here I have 100 grams of white chocolate, and over it I'm pouring 100 grams of pure pistachio paste. Warm 400 grams of milk to 40 degrees Celsius. And then, while whisking constantly, add the dry ingredients. Never stop whisking until the thermometer reads 80 degrees Celsius. Cut the heat immediately and pour the thickened cream over the pistachio paste and the white chocolate. Blend it smooth and then pour in 300 grams of very cold whipping cream. Continue blending for 2 more minutes. Immediately cover the ice cream base with plastic wrap directly on the surface. Let it cool down to room temperature and then refrigerate it for 8 hours. Then peel off the plastic and blend it for 2 more minutes. Churn the pistachio and white chocolate ice cream in your ice cream machine following the manufacturer's instructions. When the churning cycle is done, transfer the very soft ice cream to a frozen casserole. Level it and then freeze it for 6 hours. And then, after 6 hours, let it sit on the counter for like 10 minutes before you scoop it out. My no added sugar pistachio and white chocolate ice cream is super creamy and luxurious. You're gonna love it. And it scoops out beautifully. I like to top it with chopped white chocolate and chopped pistachios. Enjoy it! If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below how the ice cream turns out for you. See you next time, dessert lovers!